Give me some food. Sounds like shaking his baby.
Liam.
Not scared at all.
He really likes the camel underneath.
You want to get it? You want the camel?
Where did he go?
That turkey.
No, Jesus. Get the camel back. I can't see him.
Camel.
Lawrence.
You gonna get in there?
Larry.
Hey, Larry.
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 Oh.
Not a good
He
thing.
doesn't like you to be called Larry.
It's like, shut up.
Yeah, he wants to get in that cage. Liam.
Bye-bye, Larry. Bye-bye. Liam, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, camel.
Oh, what else is there to see?